What are the beginner guitar chords? The beginner guitar chords are basically open chords. Easy chords played with 2 or 3 fingers, sometimes 4. I'd be hesitant to start now with the 4 if you're a beginner. That'd be a chord like B7. And basically you start with these chords, open chords. And like here's some examples. You have G, C, D. You have A. You have E minor, D minor. Now you'll notice I've spread out these. This is because they're normally played in groups. So here's one set of beginner guitar chords. G, E minor, C, and D. That's one group. I name them together because they sound good together. And the chords that sound good together also work well for songs together. Another grouping are A, D, and E. Again, they work good together. You'll also notice there I mentioned D in both examples. Some chords work well in different groups. So basically, those are the beginner chords to check out. Open chords, and all you got to do with those is focus on getting them clear, changing quickly between them, and pick 3 or 4 to begin with. That's all you got to do. So give that a go. And if you're looking for a step-by-step approach, I do have a 5-day Learn to Play Guitar challenge. It is free. It has worked for many others. You'll find info on that below if you want to check it out, or it should pop up here somewhere. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.